Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Home Science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of Chapter 10, Reading. It means today we'll read Chapter 10. I'm repeating, today we'll read Chapter 10. Students, this is our 10th lecture and 10th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 10th lecture and 10th homework. Students, take your home science book. We'll learn about chapter 10. So let's begin. Chapter 10, name, need of food. Lesson 1, name food, energy, kilocalorie. Every day we take various types of food. In this food there are some nutritional elements which produce energy within our body. Energy is essential for doing any kind of work like playing, doing any work, studying, etc. We cannot visualize this energy, but we can feel and measure it. We use the certain units of measurement with buying various food items to measure liquid food. We use the until liter, and to measure other food items we use the unit kilogram. In the same way, the unit of measurement of the energy content in food is known as kilocalorie. So what is kilocalorie? The unit of measurement of the energy content in food is known as kilocalorie. This is important for your KBQ. Everybody needs energy to survive. To do more physical work, more energy. For example, more kilocalories are needed, and to do less physical work, less kilocalorie is required. That means kilocalorie is the unit which is used to measure energy in food items. Sources of energy. We get energy from food. The more kilocalories is there in any food, the more is its energy content. Examples may be cited of oils, ghee, fried food, sugar, molasses, sweets, etc., which have more kilocalories. Are these food contain more energy. On the other hand, vegetables, cucumber, lettuce, grapefruit, guava, etc. have less kilocalories or less energy. Students will learn about this chart. Energy from the nutritional elements. 4 kilocalories are obtained from 1 gram of carbohydrate. 4 kilocalories are derived from 1 gram of protein. 9 kilocalories are obtained from 1 gram of fat. Students, please read this chart very carefully. This will be helpful for answering your multiple choice questions. Need of this energy for any person depends on that person's nature of work, physical condition, age, etc. If someone does much hard-working jobs such as a rickshaw puller, he or she will not need more kilocalories. On the other hand, persons doing less laborious jobs such as desk work in an office will need less kilocalories. Think about me, as we say, a teacher who is working in desk and who is working with his mind is less laborious than a rickshaw puller. So a rickshaw puller needs more kilocalories. Children in comparison with elders need more kilocalorie because of the rapid growth they go through during the development process. Moreover, when someone suffers from fever, he or she needs more kilocalories than he or she would have needed being in the normal state of health. If someone takes kilocalories more than his or her normal requirement for a long time, he or she will gain weight. On the other hand, if someone takes kilocalories less than his or her normal requirement for a long time, his or her weight will become less than normal. In order to maintain normal body weight, one needs to avoid taking kilocalories both more and less than than what one would have normally taken. Now we'll learn about lesson 2, name balanced diet. Balanced diet, Minu and Antra are the same age, study in same class and study in adjacent houses. Everyday Minu takes meat and fish as well as enough vegetables and seasonal fruits along with rice and bread. But Antra does not like fruits and vegetables. She takes rice only with meat. Minu is always in good health and she does not become sick easily. Goes to school regularly, she is attentive in the class and performs well in examinations, but often Antra becomes sick very often. As such, she is unable to go to school regularly, she is less attentive in the class and cannot do well in examinations. Minu's everyday nutritional needs get fulfilled as she takes various types of food in sufficient quantities. On the other hand, Antra, being very much choosy in her food, does not get the required nutrition for every day. So in order to ensure ourselves healthy every day, we need to take all the 6 types of nutritional elements as required. When the food contains adequate nutritional element according to the body's need, it is known as balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? When the food contains adequate nutritional element according to our body's need, it is called balanced diet. Balanced diet supplies all the essential carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and calories to the body. So what does balanced diet supply? Balanced diet supplies carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and calories to the body. Taking only 1 or 2 food items does not make a balanced diet. Ways to make balanced diets: to include different food like fish, meat, pulse, rice, bread, vegetable food, oil and milk in every meal. To take the required quantity of various types of food. To keep the seasonal vegetables and fruits in every meal. To drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. To ensure the daily intake of 50 to 60 of the required total kilocalories from carbohydrates, 20 to 30 from fats and 20 to 25 from proteins. In every meal, an adult person needs to have at least 30 grams oil, 20 grams molasses or sugar, otherwise deficiency of calories will occur. For such a reason, meals should be inclusive of oils and molasses or sugar. Use of spices is customary for making balanced diets tasty. So you can follow all this. Now we'll learn about importance of balanced food. Importance of balanced diet is needed to supply all the nutritional elements in sufficient quantities according to the needs of our body. Balanced food is important for ensuring proper supply of sufficient body energy for meeting the requirement of the body. Body gains weight if food is taken more than necessity. Disease will attack. Body loses weight if less food is taken. The growth of the children will be hampered. The immunity power will be decreased. As such, balanced diet is mandatory to keep in good health. Balanced diet helps to protect malnutrition. I hope you understand why balanced diet is important for us, for our body. Now we'll learn about lesson 3, name food pyramid. Students, here you can see the picture of diagram food pyramid. Now we'll learn about this. Here we find first step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. We'll learn about this. The food pyramid shows the meals we need to take daily in 5 groups. From this bottom, the steps are: first step, water. It is very much essential for survival. Every day we need to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Students, mark here every day how many glasses do we need? Okay, we need 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Second step, grain and grain food. These are rice, bread, noodles, fried rice, chira, etc. From this type of food we get energy. Third step, different types of food and vegetable. From these types of food we get different types of vitamin and minerals. Now fourth step, meat, fish, egg, nut, pulse, milk, yogurt, cottage cheese, etc. are included in one food group. Other than protein, different vitamins and minerals are also available in this food. Last step, that means fifth step. In this step there are oil, ghee, fat type food, sugar, molasses and sweet type food. From this type of food we can get sufficient energy. So it is required to take this type of food in small quantity, otherwise body will become overweight. So be careful while taking oil type food. If we take food from the different steps of food pyramid according to the daily requirement of the body, then we will get the essential nutritional elements and diet will be balanced. Students, now will learn about lesson 4, nutritional need during adolescence. Nutrition requirement is very high during adolescence due to several changes in body for boys during 12 to 15 years of age, and for girls during 10 to 13 years of age more nutrition is required. So mark here 12 to 15 and for girls 10 to 13. Due to physical growth, need for food is more during adolescence. Energy. Due to the physical growth and increased loss of energy, need of energy increases. Need of energy varies depending on age, type of labor and gender. Up to the age of 9, the need is almost same for boys and girls. From the age of 10, the need changes remarkably. From this age, boys need more energy than girls. From the beginning to the end of adolescence, need for the energy increases gradually by age, and the children who do more hard work and play a lot need more energy. Now we learn about carbohydrate. In everyday's menu, it is essential to keep carbohydrate diet to fulfill the increased need. Students, then we will learn about protein, fat, mineral, vitamin and water. I hope you will read all this at your home, and these are very easy. You have to maintain all this for your good health. If you follow all this, you can get a healthy body, sound body, and can lead a healthy life. Now students, it's time to give your homework. Your homework will be 10 MCQ. Do 10 MCQ and write only answer. No need to give any options. Write the question and write the only answer. And don't forget to write the lecture number with homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 10 and homework number is also 10, and the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.